All right, guys, we got a Chevy 2500 2015 model, and this mirror right here is broken. Customer went and got another mirror, came in this box. A couple of numbers here if you guys want to look for it. And and a lot of the numbers are missing, but there it is. So I got the mirror sitting over here. So this is not a power mirror, so there's no connectors here. Okay, so you guys, 1 2 3 bolts. So simply we're gonna have to go in here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just fish this guy out of here, so you don't have to go crazy. See, there's 3 bolts, so you can tackle this guy out of here. You don't have to remove the whole panel. We're not gonna remove the whole panel. It's all good and it's all right. And there you go. You see all the bolts right there. 1 2 3 4, and then you could just slightly put this baby back in and click it right back in. But other than that, you're fine right here. You see that? There you go. I can get it all out. So these are 10 millimeters. I'm gonna remove them and we're gonna install this mirror real quick. So I'm gonna put my hand, I'm gonna grab the mirror from the outside. So what I wanna do is I wanna remove this little guy right here. So don't drop it in there, because if you drop it in there, good luck to you. So go slow, put your hand in there if you need to. And there's 2. So for this last one, what I want to do is I want to loosen this guy up, and I'm gonna remove this slowly and gently, and this baby just comes right off. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull it from the other side. Should come right off. There you go. So it does have a small little clip, this little guy, and that's gonna probably prevent you from pulling it out that easy. And that thing sits like somewhere back here. But this is garbage. So you simply just take the new mirror from the back end. See that? You're gonna grab this from the back end and you're gonna place it right where it belongs. Shouldn't be that difficult. So you're gonna have to push a bit. So what I want to do now is I want to just put the 3 bolts. 1 2, and then I'm gonna go on the other side. Once it grabs here, it shouldn't fall off. Remember, that clip is gonna kind of give us some trouble. So you just want to smack on it from the other side, and it should go right on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock up this bolt. Don't go crazy either, because you will snap the new mirror housing. And after that, all you want to do is you want to stick this baby back in and get everything in place. I'm gonna take my time here and get everything aligned and smack it right in. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And this is what this mirror look like now. Got a brand new mirror on, and it's nice and flush. Just make sure it goes flush in all the sides and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.